Today I will discuss about momentum indicator. How we need to use the momentum indicator with another indicator like moving average and RSI. Today practically we will practice momentum indicator, moving average and RSI. How we trade with these three indicator. First, first we will plot. First we will plot moving average. 200 moving average. It's 200 moving average. 200. It's 200 moving average EMA. That means exponential moving average. When when the price is below the moving average, that means downtrend, and when price is above the moving average, it is uptrend. When uptrend, we need to decide on, we need to find only buy entry, and when market is downtrend, must we need to find only sell entry. It's momentum indicator, and we need to set by the system. This red color for my suitability, and level, we meet one level, only 100 level I need for, and make it red color. This is momentum indicator, and this red line is indicate 100. When market crosses the 100, above the 100, that means buy entry level opportunity. When momentum line crosses below the 100 level, that means market going to down. It's the default RSI indicator. Now I setting by our OI. It is default RSI indicator. Now we set by our OI how we want to use it. It is we don't need this level. We don't need this level. We add 150, and color is yellow as my preference. And this color I made red, or you can choose by yourself, no problem. Okay, this is RSI indicator, and yellow line is 59, and when market RSI line above the 50, that means buy pressure, and when RSI line going to below the 50, that means selling pressure. Now we go to practical chart, when and how we make a buy entry and a sell entry. It is one chart where market, this is the momentum indicator. This indicator crosses above the 100 line, that means our first criteria fill up, that we can go buy first. And next we need to see the RSI indicator, it is above 50 or not. Yes, it is above 50. It is above 50. That means RSI also is above 50. So second condition is fill up. And third condition, 200 EMA, it is below the price or not. Yes, it is below the price. This is price and this is 200 EMA. 200 EMA is below the price. So third condition also fulfilled. And after that, fourth condition is our candle is bullish candle. Yes, it is bullish candle created. Bullish candle created at that moment when momentum crosses from above the 100 level. So in this area it is entry, it is trigger candle for us, it is entry level. And after that entry, our stop loss just 60 pips or swing low. That means it is a swing low point, it is our stop loss. And TP is depend on next resistance area. TP is our next resistance area. So we can make here buy. Okay, next we will see the sell scenario. Sell scenario, how we make sell in this area. Fast momentum crosses below the 100 EMA. That means first criteria fulfilled, because momentum indicator crosses below the 100 level. Okay, and next our second criteria, RSI below the 50. Yes, RSI below the 50. So second criteria fulfilled. Next our candle third 200 EMA is above the price or below the price. Yes, above the price. This is price level, this is price level, and this is 200 EMA. That means 200 EMA is above the price. So third condition also is fulfilled. Next, our trigger candle is bearish. Yes, this is bearish candle. That means our fourth condition and trigger condition. And from this area, now we can make a sell entry here. Here we can make sell, and stop loss swing high. It is our stop loss level. It is our stop loss level. And TP, next resistance area, or 1:1 or 1:2. Today, this is the system, the combination of momentum indicator, RSI indicator, and 200 EMA. Happy trading. Bye bye.